When you're working with contractors, it's important that you have a basic understanding of the scope of work you're asking them to do. Let me show you why. A couple days ago, we had a lot of rain here in Medellin, and one of our neighbors called and said, hey, we have leaks in our property. So the following day, we sent out a roofing company to give us a quotation. They came back and told us it was going to cost 4 million pesos. So I came out and assessed the situation. Let me show you. This is a weather barrier, these are your ceramic tiles, and this is a gutter. This was where the leak was. The weather barrier failed. Now the company wanted to replace the entire thing. Now there's nothing wrong with replacing the entire weather barrier, but if you're just looking for a small repair, that repair is only about 400,000 pesos. So I took care of the problem, I put in a new weather barrier, and now I'm putting the tiles back. But the point is, even if you're not the one that's going to be doing the work, it's important that you have a basic understanding of the work that your contractors are doing. That way you can validate a lot of the information that they're telling you.